Okay, I've tried several different O-rings on this and I just can't get the fit just right. So I went ahead and ordered the O-rings that are proprietary for these swivels. They do differentiate whether it's an aluminum swivel or an all brass swivel. I got the ones for the all brass. Let's go ahead, I'm going to turn it on and I'll show you what I've run into. It just is not going to work unless you get the perfect O-ring. So these O-ring kits came from Harbor Freight. They're pretty nice kits, but the problem you run into is the size that you need for any kind of a hose swivel is probably going to be this area here. There's an ID and an OD, inside diameter, outside diameter. The actual thickness of the O-ring is what they call section. The blue box is metric, and these are SAE. This group here are all 2.4 millimeters section, or the actual diameter of the rubber itself. Now on the SAE side, they're 3/32. So I went ahead and used my 2DO really good dowel caliper. It's hard to get a measurement on it, but the reason these are all leaking on these swivels is that they're a little bit on the thin side. These measure 2.6 millimeters on the section. Just a side note, these kits that come with 3 sets of O-rings, they also come with a new snap ring. Comes with 3 sets. I like to use a good silicone grease on them. That one's going to need just a little bit of careful help. Definitely a good snug fit. Guys, you ain't going to believe that. That snap ring is not... It's not fitting in there very good. It'll keep them from coming off. I'm going to use a new one. There we go. That's a pretty good snap there. Let's see what she looks like. Water's on. Water's on max, and I've got the hose shut off. Well, that's what we want to see. The question is, how long will they last? Only time will tell. Your mileage may vary. I'll put a link down there to these O-rings that fit and actually do work. They're like 10 bucks for that little kit. You get the spare snap ring, you get 3 sets of O-rings. Not too bad if you consider what you got to do to run around to Napa and all these places and try to match up these O-rings. Because the world of O-rings, it's a big world. Hey, thanks for watching. Work safe out there and have a good one.